Ooh, another day. We still got 2 days before the camber bolt kit come in, but we got to change the bushings along with that. And instead of pulling all this back out, I got to take the A arm, the lower arm on anyways, control arm. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock the brakes off, and then pull off. I gotta take the brake off, and this jam nut right here real quick. And then basically the whole thing will just come sliding out. One big old glope. And then we'll go from there basically. Shouldn't be too bad though. And we'll pull those out and get ready to replace the inner bushings of the said area. So yeah, shouldn't be too bad. So let me get these tools real quick and then we'll get to work. Okie dokie. Oh. Yeah, I'm honestly I need to get a new brake system, man. I know they make a kit that's not too bad. Put this here for now. Okay. Okie dokie. Artichoke. You know, I guess I could have just freaking, I need to find a way to hook this in. And put my brake pads. Which, definitely are glazed the balls over. Probably need new brake pads. Oh. Let's see. I'll get a zip tie and we'll zip tie it to the coil springs. That's a good idea. I like it. Okie dokie. Zip tie number 1 up in here. Double zip tie looks like. Zippy, zippy, zippy. I need a little stool. I don't know what's heavier, the gravitational pull of Earth or AMC brake calipers. Okay. All right, so we got that one on there. Down here we got, of course, right here, we'll have to get this cotter pin out as well. Just line them up nice and good. And we'll pull them on out. Easy peasy. Keep all those together. Let's see, what size is this? I think these were 16s. Yep. So my 16 socket, and this one is probably a 16 too. No, bigger. Probably a 17. So let's get that real quick. Here's my 16. No. Take off the strut again. There's the struts, the strut washers, the other strut. Okay. Come on. I'll get you off in a minute. Of course, we have tie rod. Dang. Woo. Those have been on there for a while. And I don't have my hammer, but I bet ya. Nope. Which doesn't work though. Nope. Alrighty. Put a couple threads on there and dang. Hammer time. Dang. Really? These mofos are not coming off. That's crazy. All right. We will PB blast that one and come back to it. But technically, besides that one and this one right here, everything should come out. So let me get the PB blaster. Where is it at? Go ahead and do the other side while I'm at it. And while we wait for this one to soak, I'm gonna go do the passenger side real quick and then show you what we got going on here. So catch y'all in a few. Well, I got them out and I got a chuckle. So here's the driver's side, right? And I was talking about, oh, it has this reese for this piece to go through, you know? And I was like, oh, it's missing a reese over here. Well, this was all the way flush. See how this is like opened up? This piece was all the way flush to it. They put it on backwards on this passenger side. So I'm pretty sure they tack welded it thinking that would hold it. So now I got to cut these tack welds off, and it's supposed to go in this higher washer style side. Instead they have it this way. So Tommy doesn't have to weld these. Jesus, dude, what the freaking heck, man. Getting a phone call now. Yep. Alrighty, so driver's side came out, you know, good. Passenger side, I had to grind all the welds out, hammer the thing out, cut it in half because it was put in backwards. But from the looks of it, it slides in, obviously, and it goes in here. You know, easy peasy. This right here is actually still stiff. So I think I'm going to take it to the father-in-law's and use his press and torch this up real good, get it hot, and set these pieces in with a press. So until then, we will wait. But now we got it taken care of. We'll put this one in the proper way this time around. It's so irritating, man. It's actually irritating. But that'll be it for this. Let me, we'll get back to you guys as soon as we put these in. I'll show you what it looks like. Okie dokie. So we got the old ones cut out, and the new ones are pressed in. Here's the one they welded on. way back there. You can't really see it, but the little beveled area, it's there where it needs to be. I just now noticed that it is going to be spaced out that much now because the way they did it. What I did though was with a vise, put a stud here and clamped it down, and I used the stud to keep this from bending. And then I used a piece of tubing, which is now shot on one side, like so, and got them up pretty good. So these will work for now until I do the Control Freak setup. But I need to see if I can use the Scarebird kit on it and not a Willowwood kit, because the whole coilover front end is like $2,000, but you have to run Willowwood brakes on it. And I don't feel like doing that right now. That's in the future though. So this is now done. That is now done. I'm gonna throw it all back on the car. And that's pretty much it for this video. Nothing else is going on that I know of. So yeah, we're just waiting on, what are we waiting on? A few more things, I think, and we should be ready to put the engine back in the car. So until then, I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm sick too, but yeah, it's pretty easy peasy. So that'll be the end of this one for now. And y'all have a good weekend. Good Veterans Day, it's coming up. Hopefully I'll have some stuff to put in the car on that weekend. Crossing our fingers.